What's up guys? So are you ready? Welcome back to ArmTube. So today we are going to do clutchless gear shift, also known as clutchless shifting. So what happens is that, look, no clutch man, just shift the gear. And that's awesome man. Let me just turn it because we don't have much of empty roads to demonstrate. As I was saying, this is mostly used on tracks, on racing environment, not in day-to-day life use. The benefit of this shifting is that you're gonna save some time. You are not gonna waste your time on holding the clutch, shifting the gear and revving again. We are in the first gear. No clutch! No clutch! No clutch! That is the clutchless shifting. Now let's see the difference between clutchless shifting and clutch shifting. Does it really save us the time? So this shadow is gonna be our, okay, not this one because there's this shadow is gonna be our start line. Okay, and we're gonna test 0 to 60, if possible 100 with clutch and without clutch, and we're gonna see the time difference and we're gonna know if it really is worth it or not. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go back to the same place. For the clutchless. 3, 2, 1, go! Shit man! We need to do this again. It wasn't perfect because of the traffic. The road is quite empty right now, so this is our chance to know the truth. We just compared these two type of shifting, and right now I don't know which one is better. I don't know really if it's really worth it or not, but one thing I'm sure that is it's really fun to do this type of shift.
Okay, so after analyzing the video while editing, it's clear that clutchless shifting is better than normal shifting because it can accelerate fast, it saves time, and that's why clutchless shifting is faster.
I'm not sure if you can hear the sound properly or not. Anyways, even if clutchless shift is fast or not, it is really fun to do. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful to some of you. I learned this technique from Vikas Ramsala, who is an Indian motor vlogger. Buddy, what's up? Welcome back to the video. And that's how he talks, and it's kind of funny, but still it's nice, it's cool. I hope you watch this video and like, share, subscribe and comment on this video, and like always, thanks for watching.